Hey there, I'm looking at this new system which came out today. It's called Automated Crypto System, and it is a crypto trading system which gives you signals and it trades for you, or you can do manual trading based on the signals. It's brand new, it just came out. I tried to log in and sign up with it, but there are some issues, and I have an email from their team that's their system is a little bit slow to make new registrations. Hopefully that will be resolved, possibly, I hope. But nevertheless, I'm bringing you this update to show you the system. Initially what it looks like. I can't really log into it because the system is down, but I will do so in due course. So do sign up to our video channel so you can get updates, and this might be the software that can make some money for a little while at least, and we can see some glimpse of it from the window here. You can also use it on your phone. There is no explainer video on this. Usually there is, but I think they're different people, so they're not interested in doing any kind of videos. But they have explained a lot of things on their website, like what kind of strategies they have and cryptocurrencies. And so if you scroll down, you can read a lot of their stuff that they're talking about. It looks nice though, and they're also talking about the trading indicators which the system uses to formulate an indicator. This is a signal based system where it calculates winning trades for you. You would have to make a new account and also deposit money with them. Maybe a third-party broker, depending on your location. So it's all the usual stuff which we expect from a system. There's not a lot I can comment on this at this time because I am not able to log in and show you the system. I will be making subsequent videos to bring you more in details about this. If I'm not able to register myself, I'm not sure if you can too. So for the moment, maybe best thing is to wait, and once I make a new update, and maybe then you can register for that. Just one more thing before I let you go. I'm coming up with my own signal system. It's not an automated signal system. It's going to be my trading trades which you can copy. So to sign up to that, you go to easytradingschool.com. I'm putting the link down below to make it easier for you to get there. It's in process, so you can just copy my trades. So the plan is that I'm gonna, as I trade, try to trade every day. But whenever I do trade, I have to look at the news. Sometimes I do technical analysis. Sometimes I do fundamental analysis to make a trade. I use different brokers. So whenever I do come to a conclusion, and what I want to do is I want to create a signal for you guys, and whoever is subscribing to the copy trades, so you create an account on easytradingschool.com. I will give a complete tutorial how to do that. So the plan is that you would be logged on to the website, and then you can exactly see. You will have up to 12 hours to take one trade based on the signal, because it will be based on the news, and then of course you don't want to use a signal which is too old. So it will be daily signal. I'm thinking maybe up to 10 signals per week. They will be high quality, and I will give away 3 signals per week for free. So that means even if you don't sign up or you pay anything, you still get free 3 signals, and then you can read my little explanation about what Forex I'm trading. So I'm going to show you which currency pair I'm trading with. I'm going to show you the stop loss. I'm going to show you the target profit at auto close. So I'm going to show all these things absolutely free, and you can log into your account, which you can log in easytradingschool.com, and then you can decide to trade. I'm also thinking about putting a chat room in there, so everybody can chat with each other, so create a little community. So do comment, and thank you for sending me emails, and I will be talking about automated crypto system. It's good for beginners, people who don't have a lot of experience, but it is also great to learn, and that's why I have a course out also. A course is already ready to go. So it's not launched yet because I'm still looking for a space for it to be uploaded. But until that point, I'm giving 50% off for pre-enrollment. So that offer is also on easytradingschool.com. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe. See you again. See you in the course.
Thank you, Keith, for great free before and free after sign-up support. And thank you for watching. And to subscribe, click below and comment and like, but just don't touch.